You know, I was the first person to say that I thought the leaked images of the Pixel Fold 2 was one of the most ugliest phones on planet Earth. I now will say the same about this. Now, on a real note, though, this is what the Google Pixel 9 is apparently going to look like. And yes, if you think it looks almost identical to an iPhone with a different back camera, you would be absolutely correct. Wow, does this look kind of weird. Um, I don't know how I feel. Cause this is the same exact camera. No, this is not the same camera. Was it? No, this is not the same. I think it's a similar camera to what we saw of the Google Pixel Fold uh, 2, Pixel Fold 2, or as people are saying now, it's gonna be called the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, whatever. Um, this is very similar camera wise, but I don't know what Google is doing because, like I said before, that phone looks absolutely ugly. It doesn't look good at all. And if they go with this for the Pixel 9, I don't know what the 9 Pro is going to look like, and we don't have like the actual leak yet. But this just looks ugly. By the way, shout out to 95 Google for posting this. But I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy to say this. I do not like how this looks. And I think that they're doing a disservice, I will say, to, the phone and people who love these phones. Because this is literally just an iPhone. It's an iPhone with a different back camera module. And listen, I understand the mentality of, oh, if you can't beat them, join them. I get that point. But holy, is that a humongous back camera. That bump, we're talking about the Microsoft Surface Duo 1 and 2 bump right here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that bump is actually insane. That is like, it feels like it's like half the phone. It's not. I'm exaggerating, but still. It's still, and I'm trying to make this a little bit smaller here. Should be, there we go. That's a little bit smaller. Um, it just looks so ugly to me. It looks so freaking ugly to me. And again, as I said many times, when it comes to the Pixel Fold series, Pixel Fold 2, if it had this design, I would be absolutely disgusted. And it looks like it's going to have this design. So, Pixel is going toward, Google is going toward copying the iPhone and trying to make a very thin kind of candy bar cell phone with the Pixel Fold 2 and also the Pixel 9. Yeah. I don't know how I feel. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.